Hey y'all, what's up? It's me, Taybrice. I'm back with another video today. It's a new year, so happy new year, guys. I'm here with a vlog. I just got home from work probably 30 minutes ago. Walked my dog, and I just have a few things to do around the house. As you can see right here, I have clothes to fold. So I have to fold clothes. I definitely need to clean some dishes, just kind of straighten up my desk because I'm going to be working from home for the rest of the week. And then what else do I need to do? Probably some homework. Yeah, I need to do some homework. I think that's it. I do want to cook dinner. I have some pork chops that I can cook, so I need those to thaw. But in the meantime, I'm going to get started on everything else. If you could tell, the camera quality looks superb, and that's because I'm recording with my back camera. Hey. Say hey. But yeah, y'all, let's get started. So I went ahead and washed the dishes. Well, loaded the dishwasher. I was gonna wash them at first, but I was like, let me just use the dishwasher to make my life easier. Then my magnet keeps falling. I got this little magnet. I'm collecting magnets, y'all, from different places. Yeah, these are my magnets. They're so cute. And then I had this one. My mom got me this one, but unfortunately it fell off of the refrigerator and it broke. I'm going to take the trash out in a little bit. I did vacuum the floors. One thing though, it's already 8:08 and I just got home. Like, it's almost time for bed and I'm not done what I need to be doing. All right, y'all, I'm just about to put something on my iPad and fold these clothes. Let's figure out what we're gonna watch. All right, y'all, we're making some progress. We got some piles going right here. We got some piles going right here. I don't know if you can see them, but they're here. Still watching some YouTube videos. I'm gonna actually save this because I'm asleep in this, so I'm not gonna vote that one. Yeah, let's chit chat. I'm just about to run my mouth, I guess. My day was good. I literally just woke up this morning, got ready for work, took Rocky out, my dog, and I went to work. Work was chill. Yeah, work's work. I started a new job not too long ago, approximately like 5 months ago, a little over 5 months ago. I am so proud of myself for getting this job because this is what I worked towards last year. Well, in like the first little more than half of last year, that's what I was working towards doing. So proud of myself for that. And I'm just happy. I'm happy to be here, okay? I'm happy to learn new things. I'm happy to gain more experience in my role. And yeah, I'm just ready to see where my career takes me. I am in school. I started school sometime in like May of last year. So I've been doing schoolwork and all of that. That's fun. That's been tough. That's been rough, but we doing the damn thing, okay? I'm getting my master's degree in health administration, so we got more than a year left, so that's a work in progress. In addition to my full-time job, I am also working a part-time job. I have been working that part-time job for a little bit over a year now. I just hit my year in the beginning of January. I really like it. I really like everybody there. It is a very chill, calm, cutesy job. Well, it's not always chill and calm, but it's a good job. They are very flexible with me and my schedule. So I'm really appreciative of that. Outside of school and both of my jobs, outside of that, I'm just living life, baby. I'm living life. I'm definitely still enjoying young adult life. Am I still a young adult? I'm a young adult. I'm only 26. So yeah, I'm still enjoying my young adult life, and you know, it's a time. But this year, my goal is to save money, develop better routines. I feel like that's always going to be something that I want to work on, because I feel like you can always be a better version of yourself if you want, if you try. So I'm always here for like self-improvement and just wanting to be better than I was yesterday. So developing and just keeping up with my good habits, like going to the gym, cooking at home, cutting back on coffee, because I do want to lose a little bit of weight this year. I just feel like the scales, it's just getting a little up there. I need to take better care of myself, because health is wealth, and I want to be on this earth for a long time, not just a good time. I just want to grow. We want growth. 2025 is the year of growth, so that is what we are working towards. All right, y'all, so I went ahead and folded all of the clothes. They have been put away. I'm gonna wear this bed tonight. I still need a shower. I got my bonnet, scarf, and now I need to go ahead and clean my desk, set my laptop up for work tomorrow, all of that good stuff. So we're gonna go ahead and get this together now. I just finished cleaning my apartment. It's like 10 o'clock right now. I haven't even cooked dinner or showered yet, so I'm about to just go ahead and shower, get that out of the way, and then get to dinner, and then go to bed. Hey guys, I wanted to update you on what I'm doing. I showered. I've already started cooking, and we have some pork chops on the stove. I am making some rice, and then for a vegetable, I am going to make this broccoli. Hey guys, I did not make an outro for this video, but I wanted to come in here and say thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I know this video is a little late. I don't really have a consistent schedule yet. I just wanted to at least post once a week, and I didn't post last week, but thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys look forward to the next video. Thank you. Bye.